Hi guys, this is Victor. Welcome to my DIY Time channel. And today I'm pretty excited. I got this big package delivered to my door this morning. Let's go ahead and open it up. These are upgrade headlights with LED strip for my Lexus IS350. I'm gonna install them today, and here's just a sneak peek how the end result is gonna look like. Overall, I'm pretty pleased with these new headlights. I think they look way better than original stock ones, and they make the car look a little newer than it is because of those LED strips on the bottom. Also, surprisingly, they are not too expensive compared to the OEM headlights. You can check out the current prices at the link I provided below, and I think if I sell my original headlights on eBay, I can get most of my money back as well. Here's a little bit of before and after comparison. So let's just get straight to it. To remove the old headlights, we're gonna need to take out the front bumper and some of the engine plastic covers. First, take out these 11 push pins and then take out the radiator support cover. Next, remove a couple more push pins, 2 Phillips screws and 1 10mm center bolt. Next, we're gonna remove 8 10mm screws holding the front bumper on the bottom. Next, we're gonna move on to the wheel wells and remove 2 fasteners on each side holding the fender splash covers. Now we can pull back the splash covers and remove 10mm screws attaching the corners of the bumper to the fenders. Next, we're gonna remove the front bumper. Start by pulling it away from the car on each side. And now you can just grab it in the middle and lower it to the ground. In my case, it was not necessary to completely detach it from the car. Next, you can take a look at your new headlight to figure out the locations of the mounting screws. There's gonna be one on the side, one on the top, and one in the corner. Remove 3 headlight mounting screws using 10mm socket. Next, disconnect the headlight wire harness. Now you will be able to take out the headlight assembly. Next, we're gonna need to remove this rubber piece and the front bumper mounting bracket from the old headlight and install them onto the new one. Now we just need to install the new headlights in the reverse order of removal. Also, make sure to test the headlights before you install the bumper. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to my channel. I post a lot of Toyota, Lexus, and Scion DIY repair and upgrade videos like this. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.